Hey there, night owls. Can't sleep? Neither could I, until I discovered this mind-blowing technique that will have you snoozing in just 2 minutes. If you're tired of tossing and turning, struggling to catch some shut-eye, then stick around because we're about to reveal the ultimate guide to instant sleep for mid-age men. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me take you on a journey we can all relate to. After a long, exhausting day, you brush your teeth, slip into your cozy PJs, and tuck yourself in bed. But then, bam! Sleep seems to be playing hide and seek with you. Oh, that frustrating feeling when you can't doze off. Well, fret not, we've got your back. Let's kick off with 7 things you can do before hitting the hay to maximize your chances of dozing off effortlessly. First up, keeping your sleeping environment a bit cooler can work wonders. Don't underestimate the power of temperature. A cozy, chilly room around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18.3 degrees Celsius, can work like magic for your sleep quality. And here's an interesting twist, taking a hot shower or bath before bedtime might just do the trick. I know, sounds counterintuitive, but trust me, it helps signal your body that it's time to snooze. Pretty neat, huh? Oh, and forget about staring at the clock. Watching time tick away only adds stress, and we don't need that, do we? So let's banish the clock from our sleep sanctuary. Now, I won't lie, I love my caffeine fix too, but we might have to cut back on it, especially as bedtime approaches. Minimizing caffeine and nicotine intake can be a game changer in ensuring you fall asleep without tossing and turning. Oh, and I bet you didn't know this, eating too close to bedtime can mess with your sleep as well. So, let's avoid heavy meals before hitting the sack, shall we? Exercise is fantastic, but give yourself a couple of hours before bedtime to let your body wind down. And while naps are great, let's not take them after 3 p.m. or else we might end up staring at the ceiling at night. Now, here's the real secret sauce, relaxation before bed. Engaging in calming activities like reading can help you drift into dreamland smoothly. And speaking of light, we need some natural sunlight during the day to set our body's sleep schedule right. But come evening, it's time to dim the lights and minimize screen time. Sorry, smartphones, we need a break. Alright, we've set the stage for the ultimate sleep experience, but what if you're still wide awake? Hey, don't worry, you're not alone. There's a technique used by the US Navy that supposedly knocks you out in 2 minutes flat. Here's how it goes. Focus on each part of your body and systematically relax it. Take deep breaths, picture those muscles unwinding, and let go of any tension. And hey, if some thoughts pop up, let them pass by like clouds in the sky. We'll get through this together. Now, I won't promise you'll become a sleep expert overnight, but with consistent practice, this technique might just be your ticket to dreamland. But wait, there's one more crucial tip, keeping a regular sleep schedule. Yes, that means waking up at the same time, even on weekends. I know, it sounds tough, but our bodies love routine, and it'll pay off in the long run. If all else fails, remember, lying in bed awake isn't helping. Get up and do something relaxing until sleep beckons. We're in this journey to better sleep together. So, my fellow sleep seekers, try out these tips, experiment, and remember that quality sleep is within reach. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with optimizing your health journey or any other aspect of your well-being, feel free to leave a comment. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you for tuning in, stay motivated, stay dedicated to your health goals, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.